Hello, I am Dr. Ravi Charan Palwai from Medicover Hospitals, Madhapur. Today I want to talk about hearing issues, how it can be diagnosed. The hearing issues can be there in anyone, from a newborn child to an old person. In a newborn child, now it is a routine to check if the child has a normal hearing sensitivity, where every child has to be tested whether his hearing is normal or not. This is now done as a routine in all the hospitals. Secondly, as the child grows up, the children usually have repeated ear infections which can affect their hearing. And adenoid hypertrophy can also cause hearing difficulty. In these cases, when the child or the teacher complains that the child is not hearing properly, then you have to go to a ENT doctor where they examine the ears and see if there is any problem in the ear. There can be collection of fluid behind the eardrums because of adenoid hypertrophy and repeated infections. This has to be diagnosed, and if it is there, either has to be treated medically or surgically. By this, we can solve the hearing issues of the child. And in the adolescent and adult groups, an infection in the ear can cause collection of fluid in the ear, which can decrease the hearing. In these cases, whenever you have an ear infection, you go to an ENT doctor, get yourself examined and get treated for this. This also can be medical, and if medically it does not respond, then it can be surgical. Then the most common thing we encounter in the society is the age-related hearing problem in the adults. In adults, especially our parents, when they are in the house, if they are watching the television and they are increasing the volume, which can be little irritating to any of for us, that clearly says that yes, his hearing is coming down because of the age. And second thing is, when 10 people are talking and they ask us to repeat the word continuously when what we are talking, it means that they have a hearing problem. And the third thing is, when they are in a crowded place and they complain that they are able to hear the other person is talking, but they are not able to understand what it is, that clearly says that they have a hearing problem. In these cases, we have to do a hearing test, and a suitable hearing aid has to be given to these adults.